What's up, guys? It's another boss. Happy to meet you again. So, today's I think if you showed the thumbnail, you know that we're gonna cross the points. So today's mission is to where are the where, badass? Okay, wait a minute. Got it. Okay. Today's mission is to go. Sorry, to increase something called what is this? I think my PC is lagging a little bit. It will be okay inside. Okay, yeah, I increase something to earn point. I have to go to 9,000 this. So that's mean to earn the points, I have to kill something like bandits or like those people. So yeah, there is a bandit. I think this is a bandit. No, this is a kill crow. Okay, hitter, pick up a claim. What? Okay, whatever he said. I have to kill. Oh, he died in a second. So I have to kill bandits. To kill bandits, I have to go somewhere like a bandit place. There are lots of bandits. Okay, so in this forest, I think there is not very much bandits. Okay, I'll try to find and kill a lot of. So be with me to the very last end and subscribe my channel. It will be fun to be together. That means journey. I mean my journey actually. What the? Where I just came. No problem, I'll come. Where I came will be the great. Can I run down? No, I cannot. That's bad. Okay, it's not very good enough. Oh, where are the monster? Who are the bandits? I think they killed every one of last one of them. That's when I did not kill anyone else. Oh my, just press. Oh, this one. Wait a sec, 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 wait a sec. Okay, got it. This one. Okay, so I think this is a real metal. Okay, wait a sec. I have to. Uh, okay, now. Then what is this? Teen, yo man. Why can't I need naughty products? Or better. Oh my, just God. Oh, I'm screwed up. I have to go quickly, very quickly. And kill more bandits too there. By going there, I think I can kill very more bandits. And if I could kill bandits, I stuck somewhere. Okay, what did it say? Oh, sorry, sorry. I didn't get the marks. Actually, the marks mean there are. Hey, I get one, I get one, I get one. Okay, wait up, wait up. He's killing me, I even didn't notice. Okay. Now the fight begins now, bro. What the? What the? He's a very particular man, intelligent bandit, I think. Okay, Mystery Adventure, I killed one. I think today I'll kill uh, okay, journeyman warrior, whatever they said. That doesn't improve my stat. That improve my stat, but that doesn't improve my level. I have to improve my level like 100 dozen. So it will take a while. Be patient with me. Uh, okay, where we are? Well, we have to outside. We have to go outside of this crap. Hell of a crap out. It's actually pain in the ass as well as in the butt. I'm so sorry, Asmin, but the metals are very rare and intriguing. I have the cotton, I didn't get this one either. And I come here this fully like foolish man. Whatever. So, oh, where the things are coming? I think I should go visit the previous one. Oh, and be aware of that. What should I do? And I think I can get the quest now. Earlier I cannot access the quest for some reasons. Okay, so swamp cross, whatever they said. Actually, there is no bandit in here, but still, I have to do something to. Okay, whatever. I have to do something to what to do. That's the main actually. What to do? I don't know what to do. I'm screwed up. I know that. Okay, where is this icon showing me up? Oh, this one. Okay, this glitch. Okay, this one, not the type. Okay, this one type. Okay, bro, slow. Okay, go slow. Okay, accept a quest. I have a quest now. Okay, then what should I do now? Okay, he gives me another creep. Complete? What the? I want reference. Accept. Complete. Okay, another one is accept one notice skin or whatever they said. Where should I go? I should go this place, huh? It's showing me to go in here. No, it's not showing me to go in here. Where should I go? In here or another place? No, this is such a pain. Acquire one novice nah, sky as a skill. What's the animal name? I think that's my mouth is burning. Wait, where should I go? Oh, gaming is hard, but not this much, bro. Okay, I have to go somewhere like decent places. Then I can buy something called skin or whatever they say. I think there should I buy. Okay, buy skin, whatever items. The price of oh body, price, price actually matters. The item is called search, huh? What did the item is called? I forgot. That's the item or what is that actually? Oh, I am just a foolish man. No, we get a sticker. What's the acquire? That means I don't have to buy. I have to acquire that. What do you mean by acquire? Oh, I'm just lonely. Okay, have a look. Yes, I know the type of look. Okay, La Novi Novice. Okay, Novi. Okay, this one. Novice. Like a Fishman's Journal. Whatever, 6,000 berries or 6,000 something. I didn't get it. What should I do? This is way harder than I think. Sorry, guys. Okay, oh, I should go there, huh? I was thinking about it, but still, I'm not sure. Is it the right spot? This person does not casually have any quest for you. Seriously, I don't want a quest. I just wanna. How should I acquire this? What does this thing says? I don't know. Okay, someone calls me for a little bit. Please hold back. Hello. For the okay, guys. Sorry for the interruption. Everything is a bit lacking. Bit not. A little, yeah, it's a very high density store. Okay, what is this acquire? I think I have to go somewhere. Hey, this is the village or not? No. I don't have to craft something. What does it mean by acquire? I have to kill someone. Acquire one beginner's cycle. Skin, beginner skin. What is this, bro? Pain in the ass. I didn't know. I just got and killed something, and I got here. Okay, I have to went there again. Ooh, I'm feeling really bad in my headache. Okay. What? I have to kill someone? Even I don't have any friend. That's the pain in the butt, actually. I think I should First of all, cut this tree and see what happens. Nothing happens. Okay. I should ask in online that where WHERE WHWHERE where I can sorry where can I find novice NOV oh yeah VICE novice SCKLE sickle. It's a sickle, okay. Party much help general health. You can type here, okay. I can type here. Then novice NOVI sorry VICE novice SC SCK SICK what the is C আমার মাথা sorry bro my head S SICKLE sickle okay ooh sickle novice sickle find if I only find where 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 okay can't say in word what the mean in word what the heck does it mean by that I just wanna have some chat or I don't wanna what the, I just don't wanna have chat I just wanna beginner's skill what is this second means like, how where did they give actually how rich they are oh I think this is called novice second no this is not I have to kill someone I didn't remember what did I just done in the very few days ago okay I have to do something with this that was pain in the bus it's orc or okay it's done so I have to find something called Navisical I don't know where it is and Nansemu how could I find it and what do I do I'm just a beginner actually I create invite player to party I have the party I'm a solo player yeah bro someone please oh I think they're parties I kill this person and see what happens nothing happens just by experience point or whatever oh killing bot is very bad very bad okay truth helps this quest I want to gather flavor okay acquire beginners what is this I cannot even see man just actually why are we hanging around okay we are hanging around for uh okay uh, uh, sorry this is not the point I'm just I don't know what I'm doing here I don't know yes I'm an honest person I don't know 100% it is not my fault so sorry okay bro I'm gonna kill this Buddha craftsmanship is very good. I think that's for enough for today. Ride a horse, whatever this is. A donkey, not a horse. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a golem. I just ran into him. And I have to kill this brat. Oh, no, no. I will kill this, no problem about this. We'll fight very day and do this. Okay, we got it. Now we'll just run to the whatever this he say, whatever that Brad says doesn't inform me, and I just jumped up. Okay. I think I should. I think I can craft this in here. Can I? Yes, I know. Whatever. What he thinks by himself. Okay, to craft this thing, I need level 2 bar and level 2 wood. That is service, huh? Level 2. I thought that not like this many. Yeah. Just 10 should be enough. Yeah, I crafted, and now I should craft the wood from where this place or can I grab the wood from here somewhere like here? Okay, the wood is not actually in my position. Then I capture that. Oh my god, I don't think so. That will cost me a bear band. I just want to finish this video very quickly and second time I'll thought very hardly how should I do something. Wow, this is very crowded place even. I cannot stand up for my video something lags man. The PC is not that very well I'll say. This I think this is a copper one, huh? Yeah, I just bar. Okay, I think I should craft this thing in here. I don't know. No, it's not the place. Okay, it's a smooth or whatever they say. Bye bye, whatever. What should I craft this thing? Oh, this man is this man's crafts. Okay, all items, all titles, or what? Categories, all categories. You cannot craft more than that. There's a voucher. Okay, where should I do crafting? Yeah, I have some. I have something this, but acquire. Don't. Oh no, it's just big enough. I have to no chip scar. To do this, I have to make this thing. The where should I make this thing? That's the position I need. Where? What the woodmaker called actually? Where should I make the woods? I have to visit all the village. This is the wooden, I think. I assume. They're very good players actually. And the one is nothing but a whole crap. Trash. Repair all. Okay, repair all. Do I have this kind of money? I don't know. I think I lost everything or not. Or this place should help me. Whatever, man. You don't know what I'm saying. I'm not saying that's it. I want to know where the woodmaker goes. Oh, this is the woodmaker? Don't think so. Oh, just find the place and oh, whatever. Where is this coming from? Oh, title one. Okay, title two. Okay, title three. No, I need title two. Wait, something. But I need to flash the woods. I have a lot of wood, but is this two? Yeah, that's enough. But actually, where should I make those? I don't know what shop this called. A much crafting shop, but I don't know where the crafting shop is. I I don't have any. Oh, I think this is the crafting shop. Oh, just awesome! I found it, and this is the two. I need had to. Yeah, I got it. Woo! Finally, finally, and the quest. I want to go to any swamp, mountain, or steppe zone. I think I should kill myself. That's kidding. This is not far. Where am I? My vision is lagging. Ooh, some quests are by myself. Think so. Ooh, my hand is hurting. Grabbing the mouse so long. Ooh, I will quit. Oh, so sorry, bro. I will finish the cross. Okay, move. Depart into the area. What means by depart? Oh, I think I have to go there somewhere. I can pause this one. This one takes not very much time, and this goes easy as well. Lo, 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 lo. Okay, I have to go somewhere both of those places. First of all, okay, what actually they mean by that? I have to go there, I have to go there, and I have to go there. So I have to go there, I have to go there, and I have to go there. That means I have to go there. What the? To go there, I should ride a horse. And it will go like hell faster. Boom! It is fast. I think I can do this. Yeah, this is pretty much good. Now I have to learn this play. Over? What the? What do I have to do? Yeah, I can this play. I know that. Okay, now one, two. Okay, flax flower, whatever this. I have to gain those from these places. Flax flower. Okay, I craft it. Oh, it says require, okay, flax, whatever they say. And this cotton. I need cotton and flax flower. Now should, oh, there is a lot of over there. I just level 3 cotton, huh? There's something else. I'm running down. Now I want to cotton. So where should I find the cottons? In that kind of areas? Yeah, got it, the cotton. Now where's the cotton? 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 I should find. There are some areas I can find more than. Oh, I can go there and equate that to stop. How much time it will take to come? Yeah, it comes. Yeah, what is it? Yeah. Now I should cut. Cutting trees can help? No, they can't help. La la la. Okay, I should go somewhere find in this area. Cotton, cotton, cotton. Man, where the hell cotton is? What is this? Does it help me or no? It doesn't traps me. Okay, the cotton. I am not. I don't know where the cotton is. There are lots of flex flowers. A flex kind of cotton. Well, I got it. Actually, this is the last one I cut it. Okay, I just well, return to the royal craft slam cross in the slam cross. Okay, okay, I just pull that back off. Oh, the quest is way too far. I thought the quest should be very easy. The quest is too hard. At last, it really took time. I think the slum cross. I'm saying over there. I think the that damn crab will over soon. Return to the royal crafter. Man, this is really hard to come here. Actually, this. Where's the royal crafter? Where's the royal crafter? This Brad is the royal crafter. Complete and not. Guys, this is for today. Next time I will be prepared and actually I learned something that better watch the everything or else you will get ruined, man. Yes. Okay, bye. Uh, bye.